Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me. They said, I'm a college student. We are conducting some webinars on YouTube for the purpose of educating our fellow juniors. We have used some pictures from our textbook materials to teach them. About 5 or 6 diagrams from the book are used then and there in a 1-hour lecture video. We have also talked about referring to the book's name for examination purpose. Now that subscribers are increasing, it naturally has reached a monetization level. Will the usage of those few diagrams from the textbook in the video come under fair use? All right, good question. There is no mathematical equation that you can apply to a situation to know for certain whether what you're doing qualifies as fair use or not. So I can't give you a black and white, yeah, you're fine, no, you're not type of answer. What would have to happen is the copyright owner would have to come after you. They may go after you through YouTube and have your videos taken down. They may sue you, and then you would have to go to court and say, yes, Your Honor, we use these diagrams, but it's okay because when you apply the situation to the fair use factors, this is how, this is how they apply and why we argue that what we're doing qualifies as fair use. So when you're making money, that's not a deal killer, but it does decrease the chances that what you're doing is fair use. The big thing that they will look at is what is the impact on the marketplace? Will someone go looking for the original work and accept yours as a viable substitute? So that's something to ask yourself. You may want to consult local counsel on that. You may also want to look into whether this type of situation has come up before in regards to this publisher who's likely the copyright owner, to see if they have a track record for going after people like this. Or if you want to be bold, you can ask for a license and say, we'd like to get your permission to do this, not because we think we need it, but because we want to be respectful of you. Something like that. There's ways to wordsmith it. So that way you're not saying, hey, we're committing copyright infringement. Is that okay? Because you might not be. What you're doing may absolutely qualify as fair use. So, but I can't give you a black and white answer in a YouTube video like this. So if you want someone to give you a more black and white answer, I recommend you go hire counsel. Because watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.